Honeywell dehumidifiers effectively pull moisture from the air, controlling humidity to help prevent mold and mildew. They're available in 45, 50, and 70-pint sizes, and ideal for rooms with high humidity such as basements, laundry, storage, and bathrooms. Energy Star certified, Honeywell dehumidifiers remove moisture with less energy than conventional dehumidifiers. Constructed with a strong body, a braced water tank, and durable casters, Honeywell dehumidifiers are built to last. Honeywell dehumidifiers have an adjustable humidistat with clear display for current and desired humidity levels. To be effective in different room environments, versatility is important when choosing a dehumidifier. Convenient and energy-saving, Honeywell dehumidifiers have smart humidistat controls that sense room humidity and activates dehumidification to maintain preset humidity levels. The adjustable relative humidity range is between 30% and 90%. They can operate in temperatures as low as 41 degrees. A tank full alert will sound when the water tank is full. There are two drainage options, manual or continuous. For manual drainage, the water tank is designed with a comfort grip handle and anti-spill tank stands that automatically extend to avoid annoying water spills. For continuous drainage, simply connect a water hose to the back of the unit that leads to a lower level sink or drain. Honeywell dehumidifiers operate quietly with a low sound output of up to 53 decibels. Honeywell dehumidifiers are easy to set up with simple controls. The easy access dust filter is washable for convenient cleaning. The dehumidifier is also programmed with an automatic restart feature to maintain your current settings in case of an unexpected power cut. Ergonomic handles and durable casters make it easy to roll from room to room with ease. Honeywell dehumidifiers come with a 5-year limited warranty, and our customer support team would be more than happy to help if you have any inquiries. Control humidity to help prevent mold and mildew with a Honeywell dehumidifier.